Before you begin your DiamondTome service, we need to set up the Petite. But first, let's get familiar with its components. This is the vacuum gauge. It tells you how high or low your suction is set. This is the vacuum setting. It determines the amount of pressure between the skin and the abrasive surface. The vacuum setting can only be read when the wand end is covered. This is the on and off switch. Always make sure the machine is switched off before plugging it in or unplugging it. And finally, this is the filter base. It is where both the HEPA filter and hydro collection canister are placed when in use. To begin your setup, take a HEPA filter and seat it into the filter base. Then, with your tweezers, place a clean round filter disc inside the recessed hole in the HEPA filter. Next, gently insert the white plastic end of the HEPA tubing into the HEPA filter, making sure it connects properly. In addition to making sure the HEPA filter connects properly, be sure that the black O-ring on the white plastic end of the HEPA tubing disappears into the HEPA filter. Finally, take your wand and insert it into the other end of the HEPA tubing. Now you are ready to start the DiamondTome treatment.